We're gonna go today, people? Oh.
There's someone blocking. What an asshole.
Okay, Garmin. Save video of the.
You gotta let them know that that's not alright.
Drop it.
Muteri گفتن تیکی تیم توش فانا بری عادقة پرسه میتیک عادقة پرسه میتیک تو
Path detected. Connecting to the emergency call center. Connecting you to an emergency response specialist.
I want to hit you stabbed in the fucking leg and not know why.
Why?
I have razor blades in there.
Jesus, Austin, where? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Oh my god. I'm about to hit my hands.
What the? Ooh. Oh my god. Yeah, I got a dash cam. I got that on video.
Thank you so much. The dash cam's probably going to be really helpful.
Yeah, I gotta go to work right now, but can I take your contact number?
Yeah, please do.
Let me see. Hold on.
Idiot.
Accident.
Yeah, idiot.
I'm stupid, I know. Oh, I'm so stupid. something right. Something right.
What are you doing? Like, did you just hit me? Hey, did you just hit me? Did you just hit me? What are you doing? Back up. Back up. Did you see the light? The light was green and you stopped.
I know my bike stalled.
Well, how do I know that?
Well, you have to be a little bit careful.
No, I don't have to be a little bit careful. I was driving very slow.
Okay, well, if you were driving slow, then
I was driving slow, but you just stopped in the middle of the light.
you don't need to yell at me.
No, I know that I don't need to yell, but I am very upset.
Just calm down.
Do we need to call 911?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Beep. that?